Hello, dear friends. I'm Dr. Pratap Naikode. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study.
Hello dear students, in this video we are going to study the plants suitable for the hedges in the garden. As you know that hedges, they are very beautiful part of the garden and can be seen in every garden. Long hedges are always associated with farms and large gardens. They are very attractive as well as impenetrable. Here also you can see some of the very beautiful photographs of the hedges in the garden. Hedges are the important adjunct to every garden. It is necessary to demarcate the garden from the public road and the adjacent gardens or the bungalows. Hedges also ensures privacy and also gives protection to the garden from trespassing cattle. Hedges are necessary to provide background to different areas of the garden. For a quick hedge, bushes are grown in two rows separated 12 inches apart within a row and 8 inches apart between two rows. For ornamental hedges, fast-growing colorful plants are always selected. Here you can see different shapes in the garden. Many of the ornamental hedges can be cut into various shapes, that is human figures or the animal shapes or the geometrical figures like this. The ornamental hedge plants used in topiary have small foliage and are slow growing. Their stems can be easily bent and held in positions by tying them on an iron skeleton with wires. Thus, the plant covers the entire skeleton and exhibit the particular shape. The hedge plants used for bordering or screening are quick-growing hardy shrub or climber, drought-resistant, and they stand streaming to shape and do not attack snakes and snails. So now we will see different plants which are suitable for the hedges. So the first plant, it is the Clerodendron inermi, and these are the photographs of Clerodendron inermi. It is belonging to the family Verbenaceae. Plants are of medium height, thorny, woody, evergreen shrubs. These are the leaves of the Clerodendron inermi. Leaves are polystyrene, simple, small, opposite, elliptic in shape with disagreeable smelling when bruised, and hence this hedge does not harbor reptiles. These are the flowers of the Clerodendron. As you can see here, flowers are white. The flowers are produced in a cyme inflorescence. The plant takes about 2 years to form a good hedge and can withstand long duration without water. It is often trimmed to maintain the desired height. Clerodendron inermi, it is very useful for the topiary that is already discussed. Then the next plant, it is the Duranta plumeri. It is belonging to the family Verbenaceae. Here we can see the plant, flowers of the plant, and here we can see that Duranta, it is used as hedge. Duranta is tall, thorny, woody evergreen shrub with opposite leaves. Dear friends, here you can see the opposite leaves of the plant. Any plant which is used as hedge must have beautiful attractive leaves. This is the inflorescence. The inflorescence is axillary or terminal raceme, forming a panicle. The plant produces very beautiful white or blue flowers with purplish sting followed by charming yellow berries. These are the berries of the plant. Duranta plumeri makes an firm hedge thriving in almost any kind of soil and can easily be propagated from seeds or cutting and can withstand severe trimming. Then the next plant which is suitable for hedges is Hamelia patens. This plant is belonging to the Rubiaceae family. Hamelia patens is slow-growing elegant plant, and it forms an attractive hedge with ever-greenish brown foliage of small leaves. So here you can see the leaves of the plant as well as the inflorescence and flower of Hamelia patens. The flowers are red colored and are produced in helicoid cyme. And this is the hedge of the Hamelia patens. Then the next plant which is suitable for hedges is Justicia gynandrusa. This plant is belonging to the Acanthaceae family. This is a medium-sized, quickly growing bushy plant which can be propagated by cuttings. Here you can see the leaves of the Justicia. The leaves are large, opposite as well as decussate. These are the flowers of the plant. Flowers are white and insignificant. Justicia is a hardy plant which stands heavy rainfall and thrives in shade. So with this we have seen some of the plants suitable for the hedges. In next video we will study plants suitable for fence. Thank you.